Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How are you doing today? So this is a 1950s Westinghouse cooler, which would have been used in old general stores, etc., because back at that time we had no huge supermarkets. So we bought a super nice core. We're always trying to find a nice core to start with, makes it easier on us and gives us a better product at the end. So when it came in, like always, whoops, we knocked it completely down, took everything apart, took the compressors out. We sent it out for body work and paint. It's in Coca-Cola red. Then we brought it back, we reassembled it, we took the compressor out, put it back in. When we purchased this unit, somebody had replaced the compressor not that long ago, and it worked super nice, so there was just no reason for us to change it, because like old refrigerators, they pretty much last forever. And I ran this for 3 or 4 days. It brings it down to 32 degrees and it cools perfect. So I'm gonna have Jeff come up here for a moment and let you hear how quiet it is. So we'll be quiet. This thing is super nice and quiet. Just barely humming. So what we did is we put a new bezel on it, new stainless bezel. We chromed the bottle cap, opener. We put, which don't always come with them, we put the correct stainless steel mop pan in it. We chromed the hinges. We put brand new stainless steel screws throughout it, as well as we took everything inside out and did a beautiful powder coating job. Come on up here, Jeff. I'm gonna pull the lid off this here for a second, let you take a look in here. The lid's beautiful. In here, everything has been powder coated. We put a brand new thermostat in here, as well as a brand new fan motor. As you see, it is clean as a whistle. One of the things I like about these over Coke machines is this is a very utilitarian unit. You know, you can put potato salad in here. You can put the whole picnic in here, right? You know, as a Coke machine, you can only vend a bottle. We like doing these because of that. They have the beauty of a Coke machine, and it's a Coke cooler. Once again, then we brought our hand stripers in. This is four-sided. As you will see in the videos, it is raised panels, Coca-Cola all the way around. Everything was hand striped in white, as it should be. This is just an absolutely beautiful machine. Runs great, looks great, is great. So if you want it, what we'll do is we'll call our blanket wrappers. We'll put this on a pallet. We'll blanket wrap it, shrink wrap it, do a really nice job, and get it out to your house, absolutely no problem. And as always, I want to thank everybody for watching our videos. You're chiming in, giving us great reviews. We appreciate it. So you keep asking, we keep doing them. Anyway, somebody's going to get a beautiful Coca-Cola cooler here today. Thanks for watching.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.